Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to increase contrast on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Increasing color contrast can help you differentiate between foreground and background colors, making it easier for you to read text and navigate through different apps. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it. After that, tap Display and Text Size. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Increase Contrast. Increase color contrast between foreground and background colors. To increase contrast on your iPhone, simply toggle on this switch over here. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.